Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off your Google Pixel 8 Pro and set up the power button to actually bring up the power menu instead of the digital assistant. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to click the gear icon to open your device settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your Pixel operates, and it's where we'll make the necessary changes to get your power button working the way you want it to. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find the option labeled System, then tap on it. The System menu contains all the core functionality settings for your device, including gestures and button controls, which is exactly what we need to access for this tutorial. Inside the System menu, look for an option called Gestures and tap on it. This section controls how various physical interactions with your phone behave, from swiping to button presses. It's an important area for customizing your user experience. Now, within Gestures, you'll see an option that says Press and Hold Power Button. Go ahead and tap on that. This is the specific setting that determines what happens when you press and hold the power button on the side of your Pixel. Here's where the actual change happens. You'll notice that the radio button next to Digital Assistant is currently checked. This means that by default, your Pixel is set up to launch the Google Assistant when you press and hold the power button, rather than showing you the power menu. This is why you haven't been able to access the traditional power off options. To fix this, simply tap the radio button next to power menu instead. This switches the functionality so that pressing and holding the power button will now bring up the power menu, giving you quick access to options like power off, restart, and emergency mode. This is much more practical if you prefer traditional power controls over voice assistant access. And that's it. Now you can easily turn off your Google Pixel 8 Pro by pressing and holding the power button on the right side of your device, and the power menu will appear just like it does on most other Android phones. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.